All right, welcome to week 8 of the second quarter. Last week we started doing some thumbnails for the motion art project, and this week we're going to go full blast into the motion art project. This project is going to be due on December 4th on Friday, and then we also have a sketchbook drawing that will be due the following Monday. So the sketchbook for this week is to draw something related to the Christmas holiday, so related to Christmas. Okay, so once again, we're going to do this motion art project where we are combining a action pose with graffiti text. Okay, so we're action pose, combining an action pose with graffiti type styling. Okay, and once again, here are the images that you have to choose from. You've got the soccer player, the baseball player, the basketball player. Incidentally, with a basketball player, it's definitely a really good one to try and mimic that repeated arms like you see with this Bruce Lee film where he's got the hands moving. You can do that with any of these guys. And, the leg, the arm with this baseball player here. I think this basketball player will really lend itself well to that Bruce Lee kind of wavy arm image. So repeating the arms look really neat. Okay, and here's the other two examples, the race car and the snowboarder. And you also have, there's an image of a fish in the images provided. And these are all in Google Classroom. Okay, once again, we're going to combine one of these images here with graffiti type text. Okay, and you're going to take one of the sayings that I have in the file that shows the different phrases and utilize those phrases, one of those phrases, and incorporate that into your action pose in a graffiti style font. And here's examples of some more graffiti font and graffiti type styling. You can even add some graffiti elements to the background of your composition that you're putting together. Okay, and finally here are the examples that I shared last week as well. Just a reminder, so this is going to be on 11 by 17 piece of paper. If you can find that, that would be wonderful. A larger piece of paper. And then you're going to combine the action pose with the graffiti phrase, graffiti styling phrase, and then make a composition with that. Put that together in a composition. And these are just examples of nice image and text combined compositions. Okay, what I'd like to do now is share some thumbnail sketches that I got back from last week, just last week, that some students turned in. You do not have to do a thumbnail sketch for each action pose. You can, if you want to, just choose a pose, one pose, and then come up with some thumbnail sketches of the text incorporated into those poses. So it looks like some students they did like one sketch for each action image. You don't have to do that. But anyway, I really like these. I thought these were some good examples. I like this Fly Like an Eagle on the top here. I thought that was the strongest of the series here. Here's another one that I like. Again, you do not have to do a thumbnail for each action pose. You could if you want to come up with ones that you are leaning toward. But if there's one that right off the bat you like, you can do some different type treatment for that and put the type in different locations for that. But I like this example here. This person's thinking about the text and relating the text to the images. I think the Crimson Beauty came out really well. That's with the fish, and Unleash the Beast looks really good too, as well as the first one with the race car. Any of those would work. Okay, here's another one I like. I like the bubbly font here, as well as the interaction of the font with the imagery. This one's really good. I think the last one, the Beast Mode, looks really strong, as well as the punch. It looks pretty fun. All right, so those are examples of some good thumbnail sketch work that students have come up with. So again, that's what we're doing for this week. Is we're coming up with our action animated or motion graphic image, okay, and combined with the graffiti type style text. And again, with these, you'll want to go ahead and so check out in Google Classroom. Go to Google Classroom, and you'll go in and you will take a look and see in Google Classroom under week 7 or week 8. Please look at the title options provided under title options, and you can come up with these or have these different phrases at your disposal. If you want to come up with your own phrase, that's fine too. All right, guys, thank you very much, and we will see you in class.